Hey, Ibizu here, and in this video I'm going to be revealing my 5-figure winning product that got me to 1,000 per day in the first month of Shopify dropshipping. Before revealing my winning product, I want to thank each of you guys who have subscribed to my videos and who have watched the videos, because we have recently hit 1,000 subscribers. And also what happened recently as well is I hit $10,000 in one day in revenue, guys. 10,000. It's like such a huge milestone. Like, my mind was blown. But the other plot twist was that today, PayPal kind of like held my account. It's like limited. So all my money there, which is like $29K, is just frozen there. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what happened. But let's right now dive into the product. So my winning product, this one made, I think, like $17,000, something like that. Yeah. So you guys are probably wondering, like, what is this weird thing? So this is called the flex tilt head, and this is what people like photographers or videographers can use to put their camera there and just use like multiple angles. Like, you can have your camera in multiple angles. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna do a screen share, and I'm gonna show you how I found the product, so you guys know how you guys can find it and how to just find your first winner to get to 1,000 per day with Shopify dropshipping. So guys, the 5-figure product research method is called resurrection. It's basically reviving old winners that have already died, that people have already forgotten, and just launching them again. And this is a great method to find those mini winners. You know, you're most likely not gonna find like a 6-figure or like 7-figure product this way, but it's still a great way to get to 1,000 per day, which is a great milestone, guys. So with this method, all you have to do is you have to find the old winner. And the cheapest way, the best way, you know, like one of the best ways is to go to Facebook, and you just search get yours, grab yours, here, 50% off, and stuff like that. We just started with get yours, and then what you want to do is you want to narrow down by date. So you want to do like last year. So click on last year and just look through, and your goal is to look at videos that are like dropshipping videos. So those are usually like 1 minute or less, and you're looking for like videos that were successful. So like around at least 2 million to 3 million views. Those products were like at least 6-figure products. Yeah, so basically what you do, and you just like look for products. And or you can also, you don't have to write like get yours, you can say like kitchen or like slicer or something like that. You know, you can say something like kitchen, yeah, and you can just start looking for products. Yeah, let's try something else. So for my product, I think there's like still flex tilt. So I think like my video was similar to this one. It was like edited this one. And as you can see, like there are a lot of people like promoting this product like last year, like 1 million, you know. And what you want to do is you just want to go on AliExpress and try to find some keywords. You can say like, I don't know, like so if you're in the beauty niche, you can say like write like makeup, or maybe like a brush or something like that, you know. I personally found this product on ad sector. It's a spy tool, but it's very expensive, guys. It's like, I don't know, $250 per month. So yeah, I would recommend just doing the cheap way and just like looking through Facebook and searching, you know, for the products. And as you can see, there's so many videos of this product, and I saw it was like last year, like really good. So I just tested it, and this flex tilt head, yeah. So basically I just like looked on AliExpress, and found by the orders, you know, the flex tilt head orders, and I just like looked at the best. And the thing is, when you're looking for winning products, what's really important is the video. So you first find the product, and then you start looking for the video. So you can write like the flex tilt maybe. Okay, so here instantly you can see, but one thing to be careful of is there you can see there is the brand. So you don't want to use this video that it's branded product. But if you can find, yeah, this is the exact video that I have used. Not this one because this was posted 2 months ago, but there's so many people posting this video. So basically I use this video for my ad. This is the first thing. And the second thing is you want to use good product images. So when you're like launching it, I recommend that this is the first photo that people see, because this is like one of the best photos. It shows how useful this is because it's so versatile, you know. So you want to like these pictures, like a lot of these pictures, it's showing the benefits. You don't have to write it, like customers, they instantly see. And this is basically, guys, like all that you need to do. Like you're looking for videos that have at least 2 to 3 million views and at least 5,000 shares. And you're just looking here, going to AliExpress and trying to find some products, some keywords. Basically, you're trying to find some keywords. Like you can maybe say like a bag, or like I don't know. Like there's so many products. Like a dog collar. You know, you can write like dog. So yeah, there's so many stuff that you can try, you know. So yeah, guys, as you can see, here there is the LED dog collar, like 27 million views. This was crazy, guys. Like you gotta check it out. Like free giveaway, thousands of dogs get hit each year, blah blah blah. It's a very good ad copy. I'm not sure if it's still allowed by Facebook, because it seems not sure. Yeah, it's a little bit like borderline too much for me. I like to use a little bit like positive words instead of so much like, this is like very painful, like thousands of dogs get hit each year. But anyways, guys, lastly, like I said before, I've done $10,000 per day. So yeah, here it is, guys, $10,000. This was on Sunday. Like the day before, Saturday, I did like 7.4K, I think, around like that. And I didn't really increase the ad spend. Like I just increased it by a little bit, like few $100s, I think maybe. And like Sunday was like really great. And yeah, I hit 10K. You can see the conversion rate. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you have any suggestions on what video topics should I cover, or if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next videos. So see ya.